Taking a look ahead at the trading week beginning April 22nd, last full week for trading in the month of April. We do have 2 days the following week, but we're going to be paying attention to the yield volatility that seems to be creeping back into the structure of the market. You look at the 10-year note, for example, we had 3 up sessions last week and 2 down sessions, and 2 of those days were high single digits on the yield side in terms of change on the day. Intraday, they were double-digit moves. We also had the 20-year TIPS auction last week. That's the Treasury inflation protected securities, and it had one of the highest yields going all the way back to October of last year. Highest yield for this year for a TIPS auction, and that means people are looking for inflation protection, and we do have some inflation data next week. So watch that yield volatility as we finish a week where the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell suffered their 3rd week of lower closes. The NASDAQ, 4th week, and on a couple of those indices, it was the biggest down week of those streaks. So keep an eye on that. When we're looking at yields from last week, we are looking at, again, a double-digit change on the week. We also have the first very big week of earnings for this earnings season. 440 companies reporting with market caps of $1 billion or more. And this includes 3 companies with $1 trillion in market cap or more, including Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta. Those are the 3. Some of the other important names are Tesla, Verizon, IBM, and Comcast, Exxon, Chevron, Visa, AbbVie, Boston Scientific, Bristol Myers, AstraZeneca, Gilead, and Merck. We also have Caterpillar, Boeing, Honeywell, UPS, Pepsi, Colgate, Freeport-McMoRan, the miner, Philip Morris, Chipotle, GM, and Ford. In terms of earnings and data, key earnings I already mentioned, but data Monday, we get new home prices in Canada, and Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released as well. Tuesday, small to medium-sized business flash PMIs for Germany, the EU, the US, the UK, and new home sales in the US. Wednesday, German IFO business climate and durable goods in the US. Thursday, German consumer confidence and the first read of Q1 GDP in the US. Friday, we get the Bank of Japan rate decision, industrial profits in China, U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment, and I mentioned that we're getting inflation data. We're getting March PCE inflation data in the U.S.